the other employee is Erica that we need to set up. So I'm going to say new employee, and then let's set up Erica. And this is, I'm going to say Smith is her last name. And we're going to say that the social security 564574941, female. This is going to be 12/31/97. We're going to say that she is married, and citizen, yes. I'm not going to do the ethnicity. I'm going to say disabled, no. And then we got yes and no on the military status. Address is going to be at 9425 Sunset Boulevard in Beverly Hills, California, 90210 555-671-5174. Let's put some dashes in there. Dash. So there's that. Let's go to the additional information. Let's go to the payroll information. So the default is going to be monthly. That looks correct. We're going to set up a new item. Let's make her hourly, just for contrast. So I'm going to have to set up a new item because we don't have it set up yet. Tab, set it up. It's going to be an hourly item. That looks correct. Regular pay looks correct. And it's going to be hourly. That looks correct. Payroll expenses, that's the expense account that's going to be hit. Looks correct. Finish it up. And so then we're going to say the hourly wage will be, let's say it's $16. $16 for the hourly wage. And then we'll go to the taxes up top, which we would get from the W-4. I'll make it to the 2020 or later again. I'm going to say okay. And we have, let's put married this time. This is information we get from the W-4. I'm going to keep all this as the default. So 2 jobs only. If there are only 2 jobs total, claim dependents, other income deductions, extra, subject to Medicare, Social Security, federal income tax. I'm not going to do anything for the state to try to keep it generic, even though I'm in kind of California here. Continue. And I'm going to say okay and continue. So I'm not going to set up the sick pay or do anything else related to that. We'll keep it basically generic. And then employee information down below. We've got the hire date. Let's actually bring this back to January of 2022. We'll just do it at the beginning of the year. Original hire date, adjusted service date, release date, employee type, regular versus officer, statutory owner. This could help you to kind of sort your employees if you have a lot of employees by different categories. Full-time, part-time, seasonal, exempt. These are all fields that can help you kind of sort and organize your employees. Total, supervisor. So we'll keep that as is. I'm going to say okay. And it says, do you wish to select? No, I'm going to say leave as is to keep it generic. Let's edit this one. I'm going to right click and edit Adam again. I thought I set, did I set him up male? And then we'll set this to January so we can process payroll. Actually, we're going to set it up January 2023. So we'll do it right here. And I'll say okay. And then I'll change Erica again. So let's edit this one. And where's her first name? Doesn't seem to be showing up. Print on paycheck. Why doesn't Erica Smith? Well, that was weird. And employee information. Let's make this 2023 January. Let's do that. Okay. Okay, we might have to do some touch-ups, but okay, I see what's happening here. I'm going to double click on her again. I put her last name in the middle area, and I don't know what, oh, I have a title, I see. Okay, so this is Erica Smith. Okay, so there we have it. Now I'm going to say okay. There, it looks good.